Hi. So for this, next we will be deploying the front end side, which is the UI side for Chat. To do so, we can just go to create app and then use the GitHub, select the chat front end. This will be the one that we have worked. Inside here, there has to be some changes, but you can just always do the master. It will always generate the latest one. So strategy complete. Yes. So next, so it will be random name with app. You can change later. Chat front end as the web service. We will have to change this npm run generate, and this can be a static site. So every time it receives update from the master branch, it will run the generate and then update it. Okay. We do not need to specify anything here because it will automatically scan for the directory names static disk public and build, which will be the dist. So we can just leave blank there and should be that. And we do not need to add anything more here too. Next, inside here, we need to specify some values, which will be this public URL. This is the one that we just the backend application, which is this. So we can either use this or this. Personally, I would prefer this. I'll copy the link address, put it as a public URL, and this another one is URL slash. But for this, we need to remove this app slash app and another one env production.env. And then lastly, we will need another one, which is local URL. And this can be the same with public URL, but still we need this. This variable has to be there. Can maybe it can either be blank, but not going to hurt if we put the same URL here. And then next for save. Next we have to change the squid to chat demo, and then front end. These the ones the front can be anything, but we need to differentiate from our backend application. Here, this is chat deployment demo, so it is better to have. So it's better to have the front end or something that indicates that this app is a front end app. So next we can just put it to chat and save. Next, we need to check the plan. It's going to be the starter. By default, DigitalOcean offers 3 free static sites to host, but for this account, we already have 3 static sites deployed. So now it will ask us for $3 per month. So monthly cost will be $23 per month. Okay, I can change the region. No, cannot change the region. And another thing about the static sites, we cannot change the region. That's one thing from DigitalOcean, but it's still fast. It's going to be a global CDN, so it will be delivered very fast. So next, we can just create the results. And just like before, we'll have to wait a little bit. Okay, after a few minutes, then it is deployed. So we can check the live site. Yep, so here now we have front end. So to test if it is working well with the backend correctly that we just created previously, we'll try with demo, which is the default account, and do the login. Yep, without any issue, we can now log in. So that means the backend and the front end are communicating without any issue. So this is the front end deployment. Oh, the last thing we'll need to do is we can add a new domain. We can call this frontend.chat. Can give a name something like this. And for this demonstration purpose, I've used this, but you can always use this and set any name that you require and configure it on your DNS register. So we put this and add a domain. And most of the time, in a few minutes, this will be configured. For now, we can use this. Okay. So this is for the chat front end. Next will be configuring the Facebook on the Facebook side and the magically